Hello, welcome back to Blackboard as we move into Module 2. This week, the reading in Chapter 6 will take you to program planning, specifically exploring ways and best practices to discern interventions that will address community needs that one uncovers in the Community Needs Assessment. It will also help you understand that this entire process of program planning is not a simple one and requires a deep dive into decision making for the best ways to reach your audience. Then add to this lots of creativity to design a meaningful program. And the process is not finished with the implementation of the program, but requires critical thinking on the backside in evaluating what works well and aspects of the program implementation that are problematic. Notice the supplemental material in Blackboard on program logic that leads you through the overall program planning process. Additionally, you may have already discovered that writing learning objectives can be challenging. See the link to the Arizona State Learning Objectives Builder with a building tool to help you get your brain around the process of writing proper objectives. Take time to work through this multi-level training and you'll end up with a solid foundation for executing sound learning objectives. This week and next, you'll also work on a group activity. See the Apply It section of MindTap for Chapter 6 called Developing a Program Plan Focused on Fruit and Vegetable Intake in Children. Group assignments are listed in Blackboard. Your group will respond to the MindTap questions, summarize those results in a narrated video or narrated PowerPoint presentation, and post to the Module 2 discussion board. This is a brief video or narration, so keep that in mind. Then, during week 3, review the other group summaries and respond to discussion board questions. Do see the assignment details for more clarity. There are a few small assignments in MindTap for 208 this week as well. I'd like to draw attention to the practicum. This week will also help you work through the project proposal, where you will need to take details you've discovered in the Community Needs Assessment, capture feedback requiring some revisions on your part in the first 3 sections of the assessment portion, and finally consolidate everything into the full project proposal and submit it into Blackboard in DIT 209 for final review. We encourage you to have your preceptor take a look at the final document before submission, seeing that you are on the right track with the full process and all the details. Have a great week, and always stay connected with Discussion Board if you have questions or concerns for Mrs. Boland-Anhalt or myself.